Well, folks, after the drama from yesterday with the contractual disputes, I have nothing new on that, but he hasn't locked me out. And I assume he probably won't because he'd really be screwing me up on the contract if that were the case. We're down to just a few vehicles left and a whole bunch of parts. Right now, we got this 1963 Newport that I'm going to get out of here today. I tried to lift this one with the skid steer and it just wasn't having it. So I'm going to have to roll it. So we'll see if the tires will hold any air. And let's do a little overview of her real quick. Okay. Right passenger quarter looking pretty straight. Got some rust rot on the wheel well there. Probably some under the molding, I'm guessing. Rear door, passenger side's looking good. Passenger door looking pretty straight. Right fender's looking good. Front bumper. Now, I don't know if that's the design. I think that is the design. Kind of follows the contour of the fender so it bends down there. The top of that fender is looking real good too. The hood's looking good. Grille is looking good. Lights all there. It's looking pretty straight except for that rust rot in the back quarter. That's looking good there. Doors looks good. That door looks good. And this quarter looks good. A little bit of a dent down there. Something bumped into her. See the back here. Yeah, all the paneling is looking really, really nice. Got all the nut emblems except the H. Deck lid's looking good. Rear glass is there. The roof, I did see a little bit. Let's look at it at an angle. There's a dent right here. Little one. A couple holes right here. Not sure what that's all about. Oh, looks like they had a ski rack or something on top. There's a hole on every corner, basically, but it's pretty straight. Just that one dent, I gotta say, dent in the rear driver's quarter, dent in the roof, couple holes in the roof, and some rust rot. Okay, looks like a little dent right there behind the chrome, and just the rust rot on that quarter panel. So body-wise is looking really nice. The dash is missing radio, couple knobs. Yeah, some stuff on the dash. Obviously, the interior is shot, but all the springs are there. It's like there's a starter on the floor in there along with something else. And I did try to open the hood on this already and the deck lid, and I couldn't. So I'm not going to attempt it. Let's see if maybe we can. Hold on a second. Maybe that's why I couldn't. Oh, by God, there it is. They're tricky, these ones. And it's got a nice engine in it. 4-barrel carb. Nice. Okay, well that's good. Needs a distributor cap. And I won't be able to see if it turns, but I'm guessing it probably does. This vehicle seems to be in pretty good condition. The heater has been removed and set there for some reason. But yeah, it's missing a cap here. Full of a mouse nest right there. That would have to get taken out and boiled out. Huh, nice. Okay, well, let me think here. There's no key in it. I see it's got the ignition there, but there's no key. So I may or may not have a key for this. And there's a key there. So, okay. I probably am not going to be able to get into the deck lid. Not today. Okay, well, that's nice. It's a pretty complete vehicle, I gotta say. Let me see if the tires will take air, and let's get her moved. Okay, here we go. We got her on there, and without any damage, except to the license plate in the back, but that's not a big deal. This is a 1950 Chrysler that was in the bushes. Got that out. That's the last thing out of the bushes, except for a couple engines. And then I threw this Moto ski, if that's even the brand and not just the mud flap. But yeah, got one more snowmobile after this. So anyway, yeah, I have no idea. Don't know nothing about snowmobiles. But here we go. One more load out. I've got a Studebaker, one more Nash, a Chrysler, a Kaiser, and a Model T. And then just a bunch of parts. So getting there. I know I keep saying we're getting there, and it doesn't seem like we're getting there. I think these things are starting to grow and reproduce because they just don't seem to be going away. Anyway, keep watching. We're almost there. If you want to see what's going on with the other ones, and don't forget, follow me on Instagram, and we will be going over every single one of these in due time as I work on them. And we'll bounce around a little bit between things. So if we're on one that you don't really like, just hold out. We'll get to the next one. All right, guys, take it easy, and I'll catch you on the next one.